Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm actually starting it like this. It's actually Oakley's birthday today. We've just come to the park for a afternoon walk, you know, a little play. He's got his bicycle, he's got his helmet, and we are of course social distancing. So in our park we've got I think 4 or 5 little dens that you can just walk through and come to get to the other side of the park. And we're in there now. You can see little Oakley in the background just there. And it's just so lovely to be out. I mean, you're standing here. I don't know if I can just turn the camera so you can see. Oh, look at this. Look at this, guys. Look where we are, guys. Let me just do a panoramic. I'm going to be turning. Look where we are. We're inside the park. It's so beautiful. So, so beautiful. Whoop. Whoa. After this, we're going to go home. Oakley's going to change into his bumblebee costume and open his presents. And also, there's a surprise costume that I've got for him, but I don't know if it's going to fit him. But hey, never mind. Let's see. Let's see. So we'll see you on the next part of this video, which should be us at home, you know, celebrating Oakley's birthday. Whoa, Daddy's gone back in the tree. Wow, just taking the scenes of beautiful scenery that I'm standing in right now. Absolutely beautiful, stunning. Woo! So we're gonna go back home, set up the table, let him put on his bumblebee costume that he's got. And I don't think he's too fascinated about that right now. He's just so happy to be out here. You know, look where we are, guys. Let me just do a panoramic. I'm going to be turning. Look where we are. We're inside the park. So myself and Oakley are going to attempt to turn. We're going to attempt to make this frisbee that I picked up in Poundland into a Captain America shield, aren't we?
Yeah.
Are we going to make a Captain America shield? Okay. So we're just on the computer now. Looking for the Captain America shield. And we found so many, haven't we?
I see something go there.
You seen something? Which one have you seen? Whoa.
Myself, Captain America shield.
Just printed it out on my print and it's turned out quite well. I mean, this is a matte paper, it's not a gloss, and it's actually double-sided sticky, so I didn't want to use photo paper for it. I'm just going to cut it out now and stick it onto the shield. So that's it there. So I'm just now going to get the shield. Oh, found the end. This is actually sticky back paper that you can run through your inkjet printer, which is so good. So I'm just peeling it like that, and then I'm just going to stick it on to the frisbee like so. Then we got our Captain America shield. You can still see the eyes through of the other character, but you know, that's absolutely fine. It's just for a temporary thing for little Oakley, so you know, quite fun. Okay, so he's just gone downstairs to watch something on the TV, so I'm just gonna bring it down and show it to him. Let's see his reaction. Oakley, Mommy got something for you.
Whoa! Captain America.
Let's see. You like it?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You see the other one?
Oh, what is it?
And look at this one.
What?
How is it?
That one. Look at that one. Eh? Wow, Power Ranger and Batman.
Big one.
Whoa, too many, isn't it?
Batman, Power Rangers. Yeah, that Captain America one.
Close your eyes. Close it. Turn around and look at Daddy.
Look at
Turn around and
Daddy.
look at Daddy. You want Bumblebee costume today? Whoa!
What's up in that one?
Whoa, it's Iron Man. Whoa, it's big. That's not your size, Oakley.
No.
It's Daddy's size.
It's Mummy's size exactly. Easy peasy. With all the excitement and all the fun in the park that we had earlier, Oakley was completely shattered. He did have a 2-hour nap and he was up in time for when Grandma arrived and Auntie with the cake and some of our friends with some gifts for him. This was Oakley's first attempt at blowing out his candles. He had just woken up like 15 minutes before this and he was a bit grumpy, but we did do it all again and he was much more happier. Okay, come in everyone.
Come on in.
Try and get everyone in.
Oakley.
Happy birthday to Oakley.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Oakley. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray!
Blow your candle.
Blow your candle.
Blow.
No, blow it. Come on together with you, ready? Come. Come with you together.
Daddy, blow it too.
Come. You don't want to blow
Blow
it.
it with you? Let me blow it with you? Come. Yeah. Come, go together. 1, 2, 3.
Blow it.
Okay, let Kiki blow with you.
All together. 1, 2, 3.
Wow. Happy birthday to Oakley. Happy birthday to Oakley. Happy birthday, dear Oakley.
Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah! Now we're going to put the lid on the left side. Okay. Maybe not ready.
He's not ready yet.
Can you hurry up?
Oakley, you're flying the kite. Oakley. Whoa. Did you see it?
Yeah, I did see that one.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Oh, Oakley had an amazing time on his birthday. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified of when I post my next video. So see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye.